everybody to another Coding Cleverly video. So today's video is about enumerations, a topic that I have left off in my C++ series. So I just wanted to bring this up and I wanted to talk about enumerations. So this is a user-defined data type that consists of integral constants. Now, you know, like user-defined data types, like we have different like structs in which we put bundle of things together. Similar to that, we have enums and a short for enumerators. So define an enumeration, keyword enum is used. So the keyword enum is used inside, and then I have a sample code over here just to help you explain this out. So we have enum week. So we have weeks like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Note that these are separated by commas, and what you would have by default is value 0. So you could like assign it to 1, 2, 3, whatever integer value you want, and it could have a default value of, so it's gonna start from 0 and it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be basically like that. Now if you go in my main logic, you can see over here that enum season is basically like this. You see spring, then summer, then autumn, and winter. You have that. I have these things commented out, and I just want to show what we could do with the enum, which is right here. Now we have a syntax which is the name of the enum. So I call this enum week, and now it's going to tell me the days of the weeks. So you could see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and note that the Saturday is not having a comma because there's nothing after it. And now over here we have week, and then we create something called today. Now today is one of the enumerators, and what we do is today is equal to Wednesday. Now over here we have Wednesday, and we know that the value of Wednesday will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the value because it starts from 0. So over here it's going to be today, and then after that I'm going to print out today plus 1, which is 3 over here. Now it's going to add 1, so it's going to be day 4. So we could have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's run this code and see if that is the result. So Control Alt and N, and you can see in my terminal screen that I have day 4. That's correct. This is our output, and it worked properly. Now for instance, we could change the values inside of our enums. So you could have these members, and what I could say is that it has 0 by default, and it has 1 by default over here. It has 2 by default over here. It has 3, it has 4, it has 5, and this has 6. Now we could change this up, and we could put any kind of random number we want. We have 100 over here. We have 30,043 over here. But now we're not going to create something like this. We're not going to create a adding thing or something. So I'm just going to comment this out. So let's just comment this out, and what we want to display is that we want to display Wednesday's value. So we just say console output, and we say today. So we know that today is basically, so we could have any kind of numbers we want, and we have some random numbers over here. So you could see that I place some random numbers inside, and when I call something like this a Wednesday, and we have Wednesday, which is 33 over here. Now you're going to see that today is assigning to Wednesday, and 33 will be displayed in our output screen. So what we have here, you see that there is a value error over here, but now you could see that 33 was represented, and that's what we were supposed to get because their value of 33 was for Wednesday. So let me just clear my screen over here, and I'm going back, and I'm just showing you one last thing of enumerators before we sign off. One other thing that I wanted to bring up is that enums are created before the main logic. Okay, you have your main logic here, so just ignore that. This all is going to be before that. So after the namespace standard, after the header files, you're going to have to include your enums, like just like how you declare your structs, how you declare your functions, the same way how they operate. So over here we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Now you could see that by default it's like that, enumerator type declaration, which has false and true, and then we have, these are some different syntax to cause enumerators to be declared. So that was it with this video. I hope you understood the concept behind enums and why they are sometimes preferred over the others, such as structs or other things. Typically you could do anything without enums, and you could create anything, any C++ logic game, whatever you want, without even using enums in the first place. But this is something to master. Thank you for watching the video, and hope you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel. It will mean a lot, and hopefully we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, peace out.